I'm not proud of, but maybe I can change. Oh, a lot of people walked out on, seen some things that altered my brain. It's not an excuse, so why did I do it? I blamed it on you, I couldn't get through it, but I see the sun. Can I convince you the new dawn is done, and I know the truth, so guess I gotta blame it on you. I'm sorry, but you don't believe. Guess I gotta blame it on you. No more running, guess that's it for me. Don't you believe me? Notice it, because it's true. I know I had pain in my past, best friends will tell you that, but I'm trying. I know I was a fool, but now I am running out of time. How can I change your mind? Please tell me, why can't you believe? I know that I shouldn't have a chance, that I do understand, but I'm changing. Why can't you see it? Guess I gotta blame it on you. I'm sorry, but you don't believe. Guess I gotta blame it on you. No more running, guess that's it for me. Guess I gotta blame it on you. I'm sorry, but you don't believe. Guess I gotta blame it on you. No more running, guess that's it for me. Why did you have to die? I know there's some among us, but it's not me this time. Why did I have to go? There's one among us, but I have changed my soul.